Hello everyone, this is Anusha from Intrazo. Today we are at Sobha, Windsor, taking you through the 3.5 BHK full home interior project designed and executed for Mr. Vignesh and Mrs. Priyanka. In this house, we have used green panel BWP plywood with a solid 25-year guarantee and MR grade plywood with a 7-year guarantee for the rest of the interiors, ensuring both durability and functionality. The foyer creates a warm and welcoming first impression with thoughtful design and detailing. A tall unit with 4 champagne aluminium frame shutters and mirrors on the shutters adds both elegance and functionality. The open box in between breaks the vertical line, creating space for decor and display elements. The feature wall is designed with stone cladding and a pebble box topped with clear glass, enhanced by soft cove lighting to bring texture and warmth to the space. From cozy movie nights to lively conversation, the living area stands as the heart of this home. The entertainment base unit features an aluminium frame shutter with a flap-down mechanism, integrated with profile lighting for a sleek, modern touch. Below, a laminated pebble box topped with clear glass and filled with pebbles adds a unique earthy element that grounds the design. The entertainment wall panel combines laminated wall panels with ready-made panels on one side and a digital glass print on the other side, creating a stunning focal point that enhances the visual depth of the space. For the wall decor, we have incorporated MDF panel with Duco paint detailed with wall beading. In between, we have given bronze beveled mirror and wall-mounted lamps. In this living area, we have designed a peripheral false ceiling, strip lights and round panel lights have been integrated, along with provisions for curtains wherever required. The Puja unit has been designed to evoke a serene and peaceful ambience while maintaining a refined aesthetic. The doors feature a beautiful combination of PVD framing and fluted glass, integrated with a Hafele bifold mechanism for smooth and effortless operation. Inside, the unit is detailed with drawer channels and backlit onyx panel, enhanced with soft cove lighting that highlights the textures and creates a divine tranquil glow. The dining area continues the home's elegant design language, seamlessly blending with the living space through a PVD partition, offering definition without compromising openness or light flow. For the dining wall decor, we have designed MDF panels with wall beading, accentuated by bronze beveled mirrors in between, creating a rich, layered backdrop that enhances the ambience of the space. The kitchen is designed with acrylic finish across base, wall and loft, giving the space clean and modern look. The base units are equipped with Blum Tandem boxes, bottle pullouts and corner tandem boxes, ensuring smooth functionality and efficient storage. The countertop and wall dado feature Terra Quartz Olympia Gold, adding a touch of luxury with its warm, elegant tone. The wall unit includes one Blum high-fold Liftup, offering effortless access and sleek motion. The tall unit has space for a built-in oven and microwave and 2 wicker baskets, providing ample space for organized storage. Hob and chimney in this kitchen are from Hafele, and the sink is from Blanco with undersink RO unit. A breakfast counter with glow panels serves as a casual dining spot. Profile lights highlight the design details throughout the kitchen. Every element of this kitchen has been crafted to combine aesthetics and efficiency, making it as beautiful and functional. storage unit has been smartly designed, featuring two champagne aluminium frame shutters with tinted glass. The master bedroom embraces minimalism while ensuring every element adds comfort and character to the space. The bedroom features a king-size cot with storage paired with a quilted headboard and two side tables for convenience. The cot side wall decor features MDF panels in Duco paint with grooving details, accented with PVD gold T profiles and soft cove lighting. At the center, bookmark tiles create a rich focal point that elevates the overall look. Next to the bed is a dressing base unit with a mirror on ply, adding practicality to the design. This room we have converted into kids' bedroom, where we have given single cot with quilted headboard and kids themed wallpaper all around. We have designed a study base unit with ledges, and for the wall unit we have given open boxes as well. And other side of the bed we have given hinged wardrobe. Space is designed to serve as both functional home office and a comfortable bedroom. This bedroom features Hafele Aladino Murphy bed with an integrated sofa. Featuring a quilted headboard that adds both comfort and sophistication. The setup allows the room to transform effortlessly from a workspace during the day to a cozy bedroom at night. There are two side tables and two storage units detailed with fluted panels with Duco paint, enhanced by gold T profiles for a subtle touch of luxury. A loft above provides additional storage. The entertainment tall unit features black aluminium frame shutters with fluted glass, adds a modern contrast setup to the space. The wall paneling combines glow panels and fluted Duco painted panels highlighted with soft cove lighting that elevates the overall ambience. Completing the space, there is two wardrobe designed floor to ceiling offers ample storage while maintaining a seamless elegant appearance that ties the room together beautifully. The guest bedroom has been designed with equal attention to detail, offering both warm and comfortable ambience. This bedroom features a king-size cot detailed with soft cushioning on top and cove lighting at the back that creates a soothing glow. The headboard wall features elegant wall beadings, while the ceiling is detailed with a cornice design, adding a classic touch to the modern layout. Facing the bed, the entertainment base unit includes a couple of drawers and a flap-down aluminium shutter, offering smart storage and functionality. The entertainment wall panel combines laminated wall panels and MDF panel with Duco paint, enhanced with soft cove lighting to complete the elegant back panel. Next to it, the study setup features a base unit and a wall panel detailed with laminated paneling, ledges and cube profiles, highlighted with profile lighting that adds depth and style. The floor-to-ceiling sliding wardrobe is equipped with Hafele slider F-line mechanism accentuated with champagne tea profiles for premium finish. It has been a pleasure for us to bring Mr. Vignesh and Mrs. Priyanka's vision to life, creating a home which is not just beautiful but truly livable.